you today? Feeling pretty good, huh? We're going to reach out. Oh, Dixie, she's working. Come on, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Let's make note of where she is on the quilt. Dixie, leave it. Come on, sit down. Dixie. Oh, where are you going? You're getting further away from the toy. Where are you going? Come on. Leave it. That's backwards, Lauren. Oh. Can you reach the toy? Where are you going? Oh, Dixie, look out. The little inchworm is going backwards. Oh, there's another toy there, though. Oh, and there's some spit up. Nope, that's Dixie's job. Getting closer and closer to the crib. Lauren. Dixie, leave it. Did you mean to go backwards? Tell the truth. You just wanted to lick that wheel? And she's going backwards some more. Oh, and Dixie's licking her face. If we could just figure out forward. Oh. Look out. Dixie. Stop. And we're going further backwards. Remember, she started right about there. Alright, Dixie. You going backwards some more? Backwards some more. Backwards some more. Nobody puts baby in the corner unless baby does it herself.